Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to upgrade Samsung Tizen Smart TV OS. For this, go to settings, tap on all settings, tap on the option support, tap on software update. Here you can see the option update now. So if you select the option update now, it will download any available update and you can easily upgrade your TV. And at the right side, you can see the current version and the new version. Tap on the option update now. Now you can see they are checking for available updates, and after this one we can easily upgrade our Samsung Tizen Smart TV. If any updates are available, we can easily upgrade. You can see we can upgrade using the option upgrade while off or upgrade now. So it will take over 10 minutes. Then the TV will turn off and on automatically. So simply in this way we can upgrade Samsung Tizen Smart TV OS. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.